Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Python series. So in this video we are going to do some questions based upon conditional statements. So let's begin. So first question is, what will be the output of this program? So we can see our x variable has 10 value in it, and the first condition is if x greater than 5. So 10 is greater than 5 here, so it will print a. Okay. And it printed a. But what if I switch it to 4? It will print b now, because this conditional statement will not get satisfied here, so it will direct to else statement, which was supposed to print b. Okay, so let's move on to the next question now. Our next question is x equals to 3. X value is 3. And if x greater than 5, then print high. It won't get executed because x value is less than 5. And another is else if x greater than 2, then print medium. So this condition satisfies here, so it will print medium. And it's printing medium. If its value was 1 or 0 or negative, it will have print low. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So this question is, take a number and print positive, negative, and 0. Okay, so for that we first will create a variable for the user input. Int input, enter number. Then if num greater than 0, print positive. Else if num less than 0, print negative. Else print 0. Okay, so let's check it now. If I enter 2, it's saying positive. If I enter -2, it's saying negative. Otherwise 0, so it's 0. Okay, so let's move on to the last question of the video. Check if a person can drive if age is greater than or equals to 18, or senior citizen age is greater than or equals to 60. Okay, so let's write a program for this. Let's take a variable named age, and we'll convert it into integer. Enter age. Sorry. And then if age greater than equals to 60, print you are senior citizen. Else if age greater than equals to 18, then print you can drive. And the last condition will be underage or minor, so we'll just use print with else saying you are underage / minor. Okay, so if we enter 61, it's gonna say you are senior citizen. If we enter 59, it's saying you can drive, which is correct. If we say 9, you are underage / minor. Okay, it is correct. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching.